2026 Aprilia Tuareg 660. Price, specs, features, and full review. Best middleweight adventure bike. The Aprilia Tuareg 660 is designed for riders who want true adventure performance without the bulk of heavyweight machines. Positioned in the middleweight adventure category, the 2026 model continues Aprilia's strategy of blending off-road readiness with on-road comfort. It is built to handle dirt trails, mountain passes, and long highway stretches with equal confidence, making it one of the most versatile bikes in its class. At the heart of the Tuareg 660 is a 659cc liquid-cooled parallel twin engine. This power plant produces about 80 horsepower at 250 revolutions per minute, and 70 Newton-meters of torque at 500 revolutions per minute, giving it plenty of grunt for both high-speed cruising and technical off-road riding. Its compact design, with a bore and stroke of 81 by 63.93 mm, ensures responsive acceleration and smooth power delivery across the rev range. Paired with a 6-speed manual transmission and a slipper clutch, the engine feels lively yet controlled, whether you're carving through twisties or crawling over rocks. Suspension is one of the Tuareg's biggest strengths. Aprilia equips it with a fully adjustable 43mm Kayaba USD fork in the front and a monoshock in the rear, both offering 240mm of travel. This setup provides the compliance needed for rough trails while maintaining stability on pavement. The steel trellis frame, reinforced with aluminum components, delivers stiffness for precision handling without adding excessive weight. The wheels and brakes are purpose-built for adventure. With a 21-inch spoked front wheel and an 18-inch rear wheel, the Tuareg has true off-road geometry. Tubeless tires provide added durability and convenience. Braking is handled by dual 300mm Brembo discs up front and a 260mm rear disc, all supported by an advanced ABS system. Riders can also adjust ABS modes depending on whether they're on tarmac or dirt. Technology is where Aprilia sets the Tuareg apart from more basic adventure bikes. It comes with the full APRC electronic suite, offering multiple riding modes including urban, explore, off-road, and individual. Features such as traction control, cruise control, engine braking adjustment, and throttle maps can all be fine-tuned to the rider's preferences. A bright 5-inch TFT display makes the information easy to read, while the full LED lighting system ensures visibility in all conditions. Practicality is another highlight. The 18-liter fuel tank strikes a balance between range and weight, while the bike's 204 kilograms wet weight makes it lighter than many competitors in the segment. The seat height of 860 millimeters, 33.9 inches, gives it commanding ground clearance for trail use, though shorter riders may find it a bit tall. Still, for an adventure motorcycle, the ergonomics are well thought out, offering comfort for long-distance travel without sacrificing off-road agility. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Aprilia Tuareg 660 enters the market at around $12,499 USD. This places it competitively among other midweight adventure bikes, especially considering the premium components, electronics package, and strong off-road capabilities it brings to the table. In conclusion, the 2026 Aprilia Tuareg 660 is a versatile, well-rounded adventure bike that balances off-road prowess with long-distance touring comfort. Riders looking for a machine that can confidently tackle rugged trails yet still cruise comfortably on highways will find the Tuareg to be a compelling choice. With its advanced electronics, high-quality suspension, and lively parallel twin engine, it stands as one of the most exciting options in the middleweight ADV category.